Hi there, this is Colibri with Kimber Home Services. And I just want to give you a little peek at what we're up to. This is Coco, the texture wizard, working his magic. So we're halfway done, more or less. And we're gonna paint over this to get a texture that looks more like this. I thought I'd give you a closer look at what's going on. Hopefully you can see it's glistening a little bit. That's still wet. So we're just gonna leave that alone. We're gonna let that dry all the way, and then we're gonna paint over it, and we're gonna end up with something like this. I don't know if you can make out that texture. I hope the lighting's good. But yeah, the sky's the limit here. You could do crow's foot texture, you could do skip trowel texture. There's a lot of different stuff that you can do. So think about colors, but also think about textures, because that has a lot to do with the final effect of the wall. I'll give you one more look at that. Stay tuned. That's gonna look a lot better in a second.